Are you tired of unpredictable mood swings? This moment you're happy, next minute you're depressed, and you're wondering why? Girl, your hormones are messed up by your family planning or birth control, your lifestyle, diet, medications, injury, and so on. Or are you tired of weight gain that just keeps increasing even when you've tried the gym and all the weight loss tips you know in the book? Or irregular cycles that leave you wondering what is happening to your body. This month you're on, next month you don't know. These are signs of hormonal imbalance that can affect your health and fertility, but you're not alone. Millions of women experience hormonal imbalance without even realizing it. In today's video, I'll be showing you 7 proven tips that are tried and tested for natural hormone balancing to help you stabilize your mood, regain your energy, support a healthier menstrual cycle, and boost your fertility. Tips 5 and 7 are my favorites. Let's jump in. Hello, Naturalistas. Welcome to Planet Naturally. My name is Beatrice Okeke. I'm a certified natural family planning expert. I'm also a Catholic marriage counselor, a coach, a mentor, a trainer, and a consultant in the Department of Natural Family Planning, Fertility Awareness, and Reproductive Health for women between the ages of 20 and 50. So if you fall within this age group, do well to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to all the women you know out there. So every day we hear people talking about hormonal imbalance, hormonal imbalance. So what are hormones? Hormones are your body's chemical messengers. They travel in the bloodstream to tissues or organs, and they affect different processes like growth and development, metabolism, sexual functions, reproduction, and mood. Now, what is hormone imbalance or hormonal imbalance? Our bodies produce hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, and many others to regulate everything from our mood to metabolism, menses, ovulation, and many other processes. When these hormones are out of balance due to stress, diet, or lifestyle, you start experiencing fatigue, acne, PMS, premenstrual syndrome, and so on. But here's the good news. By making a few natural lifestyle adjustments, you can help your body restore hormonal harmony. Tip number 1, prioritize sleep or make sleep a priority. Just sleep, sleep, sleep. Make sure you have 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Lack of sleep increases a hormone in our bodies called cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone that can cause rapid weight gain, high blood pressure, acne, depression, and other health issues when present in high levels. It can also disrupt the delicate balance of estrogen and progesterone. We all know that these hormones are very delicate and are easily altered or disturbed. So you want to keep your bedroom cool and dark. Don't leave bright lights on when sleeping. If you have a television or computer in your bedroom, this is not a good idea at all. But if you can't do away with them, just make sure they are all turned off while you sleep. This helps for a deeper sleep cycle. Tip number 2, clean up your diet. Have you ever heard the saying, you're what you eat? Because what you eat directly affects your hormone production. You want to swap processed foods like fries, snacks, carbonated drinks, sodas, and so on for whole nutrient-dense options. That is foods that are rich in nutrients like leafy green vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats like avocados, salmons, mackerels, and nuts like almonds, ground nuts, hazelnuts that provide essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, support hormone regulation, reduce inflammation, and improve gut health. So at number 3, we have reduce stress with relaxation techniques. Stress is a major cause of hormonal imbalances. When we are constantly stressed, cortisol increases. Remember, I gave a brief description of cortisol in my first tip. When cortisol increases, it will just throw your fertility hormones off balance. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing, taking short breaks at work, reading your favorite magazines or books, just doing the things you love for at least 10 minutes every day. These techniques distress your mind and body, and when stress reduces, cortisol also reduces and gives your body a chance to reset. At number 4, we have balanced blood sugars. Frequent blood sugar spikes can lead to insulin resistance, which in turn affects estrogen and progesterone. Insulin is a naturally occurring hormone produced in the body by the pancreas. Insulin helps your body use sugar in form of glucose for energy. If your pancreas doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use insulin properly, it causes high sugar levels in the blood, which leads to diabetes. You want to keep your blood sugar levels stable by eating healthy meals with proteins, fiber like beans, tiger nuts, garden eggs, and healthy fat. And avoid skipping meals. Intermittent fasting can be helpful for some, but if you are dealing with hormonal imbalance, you just have to eat at the right time every day. Small portions of balanced meals are okay. Your plate doesn't have to look like a mountain. You get what I mean? Tip number 5. Take hormone-friendly herbs and supplements, one of my favorites. Certain herbs like chasteberry, maca root, and ashwagandha are famous for supporting hormone balance. Make sure you consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplements. Also, vitamin D and magnesium are common deficiencies that can worsen hormone issues, so get your levels tested if possible. This one topic reminds me of how we are being cajoled every day by beauty experts to avoid the sun as much as possible. Use sunscreen even when you are indoors. The sun causes hyperpigmentation and so on. See, the same sun you avoid like a plague every day also has healing benefits, like this vitamin D we are talking about. It has healing properties. Anyway, that's a story for another day. At number 6, we have exercise wisely. Exercise wisely. Emphasis on wisely, not they do too much. Exercise is fantastic for hormone balance, but overdo can cause a spike in cortisol. By now, you should know what cortisol is. I explained it earlier on. Aim for moderate workouts, like walking within reasonable distances or light workouts 3 to 5 times a week. Another thing is please listen to your body. If you're constantly fatigued or tired, always listen to your body. Your body will always give you signals when something is going wrong, but we often push it aside and say it doesn't matter. Try doing the needful at the right time, not when it's too late. Focus on gentler activities. At number 7, we have limit endocrine disruptors, my second favorite. Finally, watch out for endocrine disruptors like BPAs, phthalates, and parabens found in plastics, cosmetics, and cleaning supplies. BPA, bisphenol A, is a chemical compound used in the production of various plastics. Phthalates are compounds derived from phthalic acid. They are mainly added to plastics to increase their flexibility, durability, and longevity. Parabens are chemical compounds that are commonly used as preservatives in cosmetic and pharmaceutical products. Yes, the same plastics, cosmetics, and cleaning agents you use in your house. All these chemicals are associated with health-harming properties. They increase the risk of cancer, asthma, and allergies. They also affect learning attention and behavioral difficulties in children. They all contribute to hormone imbalance, so you want to switch to glass, ceramic, or stainless steel containers. Natural skincare and organic household products whenever possible. So let's have a recap. There you have it. 7 tried, tested, and proven ways to naturally balance your hormones for a healthier cycle and better mood. Which will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, like and share with a friend who needs a hormone reset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.